Where are you going? Oh, that's a big one.
Oh, in here. I like that one.
Here comes a zebra.
All right, let's keep going. They're freaking me out.
Zebra. Zebra.
Look at the zebra.
Where? Hi,
Right here.
Deers.
Hi, dears.
Look at the zebra. Zebra.
There's
All
a
right,
zebra.
dear.
Hi, zebra.
Right there.
Avery, are you feeding?
Zebra. A zebra. A zebra. Right there.
Look at the horse teeth. That's a fake zebra. They drew those. Oh
It's a
my God! Look at
crossbreed.
his big old horse teeth. Look, there's Bambi.
Oopsie.
Look at Bambi.
Hi, Bambi.
Hi, Bambi.
Are they eating any of yours, Carson?
You guys are freaking me out.
Oh. Hey, a giraffe. Look at the
Look
giraffe.
at
Feed
him.
him.
No.
Open your mouth. Look. Art. It's Mr. Ed.
Hey. Hey.
Killian.
Here.
Oh my gosh, there's an ostrich
Here,
running
Bambi.
after a car in front
What
of
is
us.
that, Dad?
Whoopsie.
Some
I'm like,
kind of
no,
caribou,
never mind. You can't get that.
Oh, you got one? Here.
Sorry.
Take it. Look at that giraffe.
You get out and push. I don't know we're going to make this hill.
Are you serious?
No.
Look at that giraffe.
Go very fast in this 'cause
5 miles an hour.
a giraffe. Daddy, I'm feeding Emo. There we go. I'm trying to get him.
Look at the deer come.
No more. Look at all the animals
We'll
falling.
drop that and then behind the seat, Jason.
I'll get you one.
I'll give you one.
There's a big
Sit back.
rabbit. Watch his
Sit back.
hands.
Dude, just drop it. I got it down there. Where's the lion? Hi, alligator. Where is the lion?
The lion will probably be on the fence.
If somebody's behind me wanting to go by, you let me know because I cannot see behind me. There's not a mirror on this.
Look at the ostrich.
think they keep them.
We don't want that one over here. They'll come peck at us.
Oh, it looks mean.
Don't let it come over here.
Ostrich.
Well, how are you going to keep it from coming over here, Jason?
I'm sorry. I have to throw it
Distracted.
out the window.
Peck your eyeball.
Carson,
There's an ostrich.
are you having fun?
Yeah.
Look at the big one over here, Emily.
Whoa. Oh, it's mean.
Avery, you going to feed him?
I'm trying.
You better, Avery.
Oh, look at the
Avery, you having
Here
fun?
comes a
Say
giraffe.
hi, Avery.
Where's the giraffe? Oh my god!
Oh my gosh. Here. Oh, look. Jason, you have a... Watch the baby's head.
Go away! Now go away! Now go away!
Hold your arm out. Maybe he'll come over here.
Hold your arm out over
Hey.
there.
Go away! Go away!
It's okay, honey.
Look at the zebras.
Not you. I said not you.
Here's some food, Virgie.
Raffy! No, I said move. Oh, Virgin, watch it. Don't let it peck your hand off. Virgin.
Come on,
Oh,
giraffe. Get
nice.
over here on the
You'll
other
feed him?
side.
Hey, Dad. Virgin,
Oh, play with the reindeer.
Bye-bye.
Here,
I
Jason.
can't get him going the other side, Jason.
that's
Why you
Now I
over
got slobber on my thumb.
Now just keep going.
Oh, look at his mouth. Bye-bye.
He stinks.
Bye-bye.
there? Give him a bath.
It's okay, honey. You want me to take you?
Draffy. I'll feed it one.
That's a bill.
Avery, it's coming on your side, sweetie.
Or you end up, Virginia, you get his horns in there, you never get him out.
I don't want to. I want to feed it.
That got the door.
Oh my god. I can't get it. There we go. No,
Killian.
yeah, I couldn't get the giraffe. So. Sorry, buddy. No more food. Here.
Got it.
There. Hey, dude.
This is going to be the worst video camera stuff ever.
That's slobber.
I'm yelling at Jason. Jason's yelling at the giraffe. I'm getting a lot of Virgine's head.
Hey, Papa.
I'm trying to hold the baby. Hi, zebra.
You want me to hold the baby?
It's fine.
Yeah.
Can I unbuckle?
You gotta roll your window up. You're gonna hold the baby, so you're gonna have no turn. He's gonna follow your foot.
I got it.
Carson, Killian throws it at him. I got him.
Come on. Where's the giraffe?
I can't.
Oh my god. Buffalo.
All right, Killian.
Buffalo.
Give it to the buffalo.
Buffalo. Yeah, bye-bye, buffalo. I'm feeding him big old.
That's beast.
Hello.
I'm gonna get this big beast.
Look at the buffalo.
Yeah, I
So maybe
finally
I'll
talked
feed
to him late.
Oh, that. Oh my god.
Had a flat tire. I don't know if he hit somebody.
Oh, look at that.
He didn't get to the
Look at
his big old mouth. Throw it in his mouth.
Whoops. Jason, I gave you one. Look at that big head. Look how big it is. Oh, okay. I hope he doesn't knock us over.
You want to give him one?
I already did. No, don't eat
Throw it in his mouth.
What do you got over there, Avery?
Look at how huge that buffalo is. Look at how big his body is.
There you go, Buffalo.
How is he not stinking hot?
I think you said John Tesh.
I got how much food left.
Look at his big old tongue.
Okay. Alrighty. They race tonight then?
Look at that big buffalo. Look at his butt. Buffalo.
Buffalo.
There's a
No,
little
he's not
butt.
going home.
Okay. Oh my god. They shaved his butt.
Avery.
Okay.
Hey.
Alright, we'll get some more. Turn around.
Look at how big it is. There it
Oh,
goes.
yeah.
Oh, look at the baby pigs, you guys.
Tiny one.
Oh, look at that. Little tiny.
a giraffe
Look at
for you,
the
Avery.
Emily. Look at the giraffe.
I don't have any food,
Here.
honey.
Put your tongue out. Put your tongue out. That's the one that snotted in my face, I think.
It's not going to get you. It's over there.
You want to feed him?
Here.
Hey, Mommy's going to pet him.
Hey, there's a ram.
Look, Killian, Mommy pets him.
Slobber.
Hey, here. Ram.
Wait a minute, I want to feed him,
Little
Dad.
big hog.
Look, I'm going to feed the giraffe.
It's
over
all
here.
cracked up.
It is. Looks like he's got.
Dry skin.
There.
Where is it all
whipped it.
cracked up?
Yeah, I don't think anybody whipped
Sorry,
Look at
buddy.
these mangy things.
Maybe he got cut. Bye, giraffe.
it. Probably the time of the year they're starting to shed their winter coats and get their summer coats.
They don't need
Awesome.
over now. Hey, good job.
Oh, it's hungry. It's skinny, Avery. Give it one.
I did.
Oh, okay.
What's the giraffe?
Tussies or
It's a
whatever.
girl water
That's a gar.
buffalo. It's a girl
gar?
water buffalo.
It's a water buffalo. I think that Carson's right. It's a water buffalo. It's a girl.
You didn't even make it, Carson. Open your mouth. Open it up.
They're smart. They just open their mouth.
Yeah.
Open it up. Come over here. Dude, well, open your mouth. The water buffalo. Open your mouth.
Get it down. Don't put it in your mouth.
More piggies coming.
Killian,
That's gonna be
Killian,
more.
look at Mommy. What did you see? What are you watching? Animals?
Tell Mommy about it. What did you see?
So you get to like a big animal.
A hippo.
So
That's
Where'd
the
you
only
see
thing we
a
haven't
hippo?
seen.
Killian, what was the big tall thing?
God, there's surely
Hey,
an elephant
What was the
somewhere.
big tall thing, Killian? With a long neck.
Say mommy.
Say it louder.
Stop.
Giraffe. Did you see the water buffalo?
Yeah.
And do you say, open your mouth?
Look at that thing with his horns. Here, let's feed him.
Oh my gosh, look at the pig. Look at that.
He won't come take it.
Oh, look at there's geese too. What more?
Elk swimming hole, is that what that says?
Yeah,
Oh,
there's
there
an
is a
elk
pond
swimming
down there for
hole.
'em to get water.
Look how much I have. Look how much I have. Oh, look at that big ram.
That's
There's a
that
ram.
gar.
Eat
That's
hay.
what
Oh, look at
What
that
is
longhorn.
Gar.
Hey, there's
G-A-U-R.
a longhorn. Look at there's a couple of longhorns.
J-U-R?
G-A-U-R.
Papa, there's a
Gar.
longhorn. Oh, look at this.
Look.
Virginia's coming on your side. So you got anything for me?
No, I don't.
Come on back here, buddy. Avery, you want to stick your hand out for me? Come back here, honey.
Open your mouth.
Look at that huge tongue.
Where'd it go?
Look at your tongue. Look at
Probably
its tongue.
cold.
Dude, longhorns.
Oh, Avery, right there.
Oh, look at that big longhorn. Look at it, Papa. Look at straight ahead of you. Look at that longhorn.
Papa, look. Straight ahead of you, that longhorn.
Look at
There's a different kind laying.
They're not very aggressive. They
There's
must be
some
full.
kind of ram
oh, look at
here.
ram. Here, I'm gonna give him.
Oh, cool.
Come here, ram.
Look at the goat.
Oh, it's a ram.
Sheep. Is it sheep or goat?
Ask Carson, he knows.
Goat. It's a goat.
Dude, don't stop it, fly. What?
Virgin. Look to your right.
Oh my god. Is that a buffalo? Yeah, I think
There you
that's,
got
that's
one.
a girl buffalo.
Good job, Avery.
That's a buffalo. I'm finding them under the seat.
Yeah, there's probably a bunch. Carson, I bet under your seat there's a or under.
There's one up here got a longer horn yet, Carson.
Look at how big it is. Oh, there. Hi there.
Looks like a Dutch belt.
Oh, look at that bull.
Ew, Avery, disgusting.
There. But how about you say to make them come? Look at that hairy one in front of you. Hey, Jason.
Sing.
See the rowboat?
Sing it. Sing your song, Killian.
Row your boat.
Yeah,
Sing
say
it.
row, row.
Row your boat. Down the stream. Over there, mommy. Over there.
What is it?
Motorboat right there. Motorboat.
Yeah, sing it.
Motorboat, motorboat, go so fast, go so fast. No, it's motorboat, motorboat, go so slow. Motorboat, motorboat, go so fast. Motorboat, motorboat, turn on the gas.
Killian, sing row, row, row your boat.
Row, row,